Hi Angel, it's Kim Salgado. I am going to walk you through your modules. So this hopefully will help you to figure out where you are. Right now I'm viewing this as a student, so I thought I would share my screen so you could see. This is your course, and what you're going to do is you're going to go into course menu, which is right here at the top. And then you go to learning modules. And then when the learning module comes up, and you can't see my full screen, so I'm like, there's a bar on the right hand side that scrolls down. But what you do for module 2 is also week 2 is you go through all of these activities that are listed here. So the facilitation guide you can't see, that's for teachers, but becoming an expert student, this is something you need to go through and watch this Learn Smart video here, which talks about the acronym POWER, learning and becoming an expert student. This actually takes about 1 to 2 hours to read the chapter and complete that activity. And that looks to me like, when I looked in the grade book, that looks to be the only thing that you're missing at this point, is to do that assignment. But right here is where you actually go in and you read. So if you haven't accessed your textbook, you're supposed to read a chapter this week. And this is where you find it, is in here. I'm going to click on it and see if it's probably, it may not be the same for you. But anyway, see, here it is, becoming an expert student. So you click on this here and then go into your textbook and you read that part. So I'm going to click out of this and go back to the learning module for week 2. So make sure you're doing that piece as well. So you're watching the video, and the video gives you instructions too. And then you complete the Learn Smart assignment that goes along with the reading. And that takes about 1 to 2 hours. I saw that you've already been, I believe, in the discussion board for week 2, which is great, which is down here. So I didn't see if you'd responded to anybody yet, but I saw that there was an assignment there so far. I haven't gone in and looked at it, but it looked like you were in the discussion board, which is great. Just make sure you do your 2 peer responses before Sunday, this Sunday, midnight. And then there's a discussion board rubric. That's how I grade you. And then there's this little assignment here that talks about how you apply the rubric feedback for growing in your learning, which is actually only about 5 minutes, but great to watch if you have the time. And then it talks about, ta-da, you're finished, yay. So I just wanted to go through this with you. Every week you will go to the learning modules under the course menu, and you can go through your assignments week by week. If you are having trouble with viewing your textbook or any of that, I believe I posted an announcement in here about how you would access your textbook. So this kind of gives you the steps of accessing your textbook. If you have not done that yet, you follow these steps and it should walk you through it. Or reach out to your advisor and they can walk you through that process as well. I could try and walk you through it, but I have a different login and access point, so the only way I could probably help you do it is if we could screen share and you could show me what it looked like on your end. But anyway, I hope this helps you. I'm going to add it to my email back to you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.